In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to safely clear system data on your iPhone 17 or any other iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is navigate to your settings. Click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Head over to the option iCloud. Then click on the option iCloud Backup. Make sure you have enabled for this option backup this iPhone. Also click on this option backup now and complete the process. Now you'll need to head back to the main page of settings. Go to the option general. Scroll all the way down and click on the option transfer or reset iPhone. Now choose the top option which allows you to transfer your data even if you don't have enough iCloud storage. You will be told that you will get as much free storage as you need to back up your apps and data even if you don't have a new iPhone. You'll still be able to download this backup after resetting your current iPhone. This backup has 21-day expiry period, which should be plenty of time. Tap continue and once that's done, go to settings main page. You should see the iCloud backup in process. Wait for it to complete before going back to transfer or reset iPhone. Select erase all content and settings, press continue, enter your iCloud password and let your iPhone reset. After the reset, go through the setup process as usual. Select setup without another device, connect your Wi-Fi and proceed through the rest of the prompts until you reach the transfer your apps and data screen. Here choose from iCloud backup, log in with your Apple ID and password, agree to the terms and conditions and you are good to go. Following these steps, your system data will be deleted. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.